introduce high fade. Please, the first thing you need to do, like I always say, you join the blades together to create the first guideline, which is going to be skin. So you create the first guideline, texture it very well, follow it accordingly. See the way I'm doing it, see the way I'm holding my clipper. So after you skin it finish, please don't forget to share this video, let other people learn from this, and make sure you follow me for more. You're going to learn a lot. Follow me for Facebook, follow me on YouTube. You're going to learn a lot. If you really want to learn barbering from the scratch, this page is all about our haircut tutorial. So the second guideline is going to be on low cut level. You bring the gear down, the lever, you open it, create the second guideline, follow it accordingly. Make sure that you are texturing it very well. Follow it accordingly. If you don't texture it very well, if you are creating another guideline and you are blending it, it's going to disrupt the texturing of the hair. So follow it accordingly. Take your time, don't rush it. If you don't understand editing, please comment, and if you have any haircut you want me to make tutorial about, please tell me in the comment section and share this video, let other people benefit from it. Now we are going to remove the line. The first guideline that we created, there is line there, so you join the blade together, not two together. Don't close it finish, open it a bit, a little. So use the edge of the blade, use the edge to clean the line off. See the way I'm doing it? Can you see it? Please share this video, let other people learn from this. Please don't be stingy, okay? So what do I'm doing it, use the edge. After you do it finish, the next thing you need to do is to open it to, I call it semi low cut. Let it be in between the skin and the low cut. So you blend that plate that you removed, you remove the line, you blend it again. See the way I'm doing it, so that you have that even look, a clean look. So after that, now you're going to use your step one. Use your step one to create the third guideline, which is going to give you the blending shape. Do you understand? The step one is going to give you the blending shape. So you put your clipper, you close the blade, you close it, put it on skin level, you create the third guideline. Watch what I'm doing, see the way I'm following it accordingly. I'm not rushing it. You know, this is tutorial purpose, that's why I'm taking my time to make this video. Please don't forget to share. Please share, like, comment. After that, the third one, you know, this the third guideline. Now the fourth one is you're going to open it and flip it. See why I'm flipping it? You see why I'm flipping it? Because I don't want to hold it down. If I hold it down, it's going to be creating another line. So see why I'm flipping it up to get the shape of the blending. Can you see it? Then after that, you turn your hand like this, as if you want to brush your hair. Look at it, you blend it. You see why I'm taking it from the tip, you see my hand is not going inside. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see that the shape is coming out? Can you see it? Please share this video, let other people benefit from it, and make sure you follow me for more. You are going to learn a lot. Anything you want me to do, any haircut tutorial you want me to make, please comment it in the comment section. I'm going to do it for you. So see what I'm doing now. Can you see that I'm blending the tip? I'm not going inside because I've gotten the shape that I wanted. Can you see it? So this is how you're going to do it. It's very simple. Whoever that tells you that barbing is hard, that person doesn't want you to learn this barbing. Do you understand? So you cannot follow my page, my channel on YouTube, Facebook, and you will not be able to learn how to do it. After this one, now you are going to remove the step one, put it under low cut level by bringing the gear down, opening the lever. See the way I'm brushing it? Can you see it? See the way I'm brushing it? I'm brushing and bringing out the tip. After that, you use your hand detailing. Can you see it? See the way I'm doing it? Can you see it? Can you see it? I'm doing it as if I'm barbing normal low cut level. Can you see it? Can you see that my hand is not going inside? Please share this video. Please don't forget to follow me for more. You're going to learn a lot. Follow me, comment anywhere that you see that I did not do it well, correct me. A teacher is also a learner. I love you guys. Follow me for more.